Alright, I'm going to show you how to remove the PLC module, Module A. First, we're going to start by opening the doors and popping them off. And set those out of the way. Alright, we're going to disconnect Ethernet cable. And then we're ready to move on to the terminal blocks. So there's little slots here. You can see them on the terminal block. Stick a screwdriver in there, and then you'll pry upwards to release the lock. Alright, once it's unlocked, reach in and pull the terminal block away. You'll notice all the wires can remain connected to the terminal block. We'll go across to the next terminal block. Same thing. Pry it up and then pull it out. And on the bottom terminal block. Alright, next step, we need to disconnect Module B from Module A using this gray slider right here. Alright, now you can see on the gray slider for the modules that there's a locking tab right here. This is the reason why you have to press in slightly to unlock it and then slide it to the right. That disconnects it from the module next to it, which goes for all of these, and the module it's connected to. And the final step to pull the PLC module out is to access this locking tab right down here with a flat tip screwdriver. Just reach in there and pull it down just like that. Once you've pulled it down, you can grab the whole PLC module, lift it up and off the DIN rail. There are hooks on the back that set it on the DIN rail, and then a lock to lock it in place. We'll take the new one, set it back up, and hang it on the DIN rail, just like that. And then we'll come in from underneath and press the lock into position. Now your module is secured on the DIN rail. Next, we'll slide the gray slider to the left. Just like that. Now, all of these modules are connected through their gray sliders to the PLC. Finally, we're going to reconnect the terminal blocks. Start at the bottom. Alright, when it locks into position, you'll feel a positive locking sensation. Just like that. Reconnect the Ethernet cable. And then reinstall the doors. There you go. Easy installation of the PLC module.